बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने से पहले क्या चाहिए? नाउ आई हैव सीन दिस मेंटल, व्हाई दिस क्वेश्चन, दिस इज वेरी सिली क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली. देयर इज अ मेंटालिटी कि मेरे पास अगर पैसा होगा तो मैं बिजनेस स्टार्ट करूंगा और फिर मैं बिजनेसमैन बनूंगा, या फिर उल्टा कि मैं बिजनेसमैन बनूंगा पहले मेंटली, बिजनेसमैन जैसे सोचूंगा, फिर बाकी सब आ जाएगा. विच वन यू बिलीव? आई एम श्योर लाइक इन द सेकंड वन मैं तो आंसर भी बता दिया, क्वेश्चन बता दिया, बट व्हाट आर द बेसिक मिनिमम, बेयर मिनिमम थिंग वी शुड हैव बिफोर स्टार्टिंग ए बिजनेस? हाउ टू स्टार्ट ए बिजनेस?
चलिए, मैं अपने कुछ I thought that I'll be sharing some secrets of my life. See, I have met a person to whom I know since my childhood, and he's like a father figure to me.
Okay.
He's very practical in his life. And the day I was thinking about to start a business, he said me two things. Pritam, whatever you are thinking, you have to do that. Don't listen to anybody, including your family. That is first.
Okay.
Second thing is, always ask people, listen to their ideas, but whatever your heart says, you do that only. These are the two things, right? He's a very close uncle to me. Because of him, I'm there today in Bangalore and I'm able to do this business last 15 years.
Yeah.
I'll tell you something about him on this matter of business, how to start a business. He said, Paisa, it is money which is not everything. You go and do a MBA course today, right? MBA courses from a good average institute in India is 10 lakhs.
Yeah.
What if you don't get a degree after 2 years of MBA? Right? So it thinks like that. You are just doing a course, learn it, but learn from that basics of chapter 1. Don't rush to chapter 7 that it has got revenue and you'll get 100 crores.
Yes. Okay.
Right? Chapter 1 is must in your life.
Yes.
And whatever business you have to do it from the scratch. If you want to start a school, preschool is the school. Preschool is the business. Right? But if you think you are rich enough, 100 crores of rupees from your parents, you want to sit in a director's table, you want to hire people who will do your business, sorry, that is not you are running your business, that is your money running your business.
Oh, that is a very important point.
Right? Money running your business and you running a business is totally different. If I have started a school, I have the experience of a driver who runs the school van, a caretaker who cleans the school premises, right? A peon who opens and closes the door in the morning and the evening, a teacher who take the classes in the classroom, a designer who designs the book, a curriculum maker who make the curriculum, a marketer who do marketing, right? It has to be you who has to learn everything basics.
Yes.
Right? Once you grow from that part, then I know you, because of you are growing, because you are expanding, then you have a proper team to guide you. Let's see that is possible. Or you should be able to talk to each of the employees that, do you know your business? Your employees will say, you know your business or you do not know your business.
Yes. That's why they say that, mind your own business, correct? So if business is a group of, again, see, actually, I really like that idea that, your like, team or the people we hire, your employees, they should know their business. There are basically micro businesses doing or solving a bigger business objective. So that is a fantastic idea. Very, very nice idea. Yes.
Learn the basics of your own business. That is very, very important.
Very important. Okay. And what are the other things they should have? Like, युद्ध में जाने के लिए तो अस्त्र शस्त्र चाहिए, mindset एक ठीक है, and you should have a, like, you should know the secret. Anything else?
See, now, as I said, passion is very, very important. Second thing is speed. Initially, you can be slow, but slowly, you need to take little bit of speed. And to take the speed, you need a team.
Speed.
That is very, very important.
Very, very nice point. Very nice point. Because these are the 4 important things. And for speed, you need to multiply your productivity or results by hiring a team. Very nice.